by me.
It's George the Animal Steele.
Be careful, this arena is about to turn into a disaster area.
The following is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring from Detroit, Michigan, weighing in at 275 pounds, George the Animal Steele.
The Animal is one of the most unique and beloved competitors in WWE history. You never know what will happen when he competes.
Here we go. Look at this guy. How is this a sanctioned match? Does he know the rules? Can he even read them?
Things are about to get good.
And his opponent from Venice Beach, California, weighing in at 251 pounds, the Icon.
The arena's buzzing, social media's buzzing, a big fight feel and a main event level match. This is a guy who always seeks out the highest level of competition, and I think he'll get it tonight.
Looking into the eyes of this competitor tonight, you know he understands the significance of this match. This is an opportunity to make big headway on the roster.
In the other corner is the bizarre and deranged George the Animal Steele. If he sinks his teeth into you, he may not let go. Not even the turnbuckles are safe.
The Animal certainly has his own style and unique diet. But Steele's power can't be overlooked because he can end more than the match with one attack.
Into the corner he goes, a perfectly placed target.
And this is just a vulgar display of ruthlessness. My God, enough!
Saw that one coming. Uh-oh, this is not going to end well. Nice suplex. Very measured elbow drop. Hoisting their opponent. Oh!
Fisherman's Buster!
Blocks the boots, connects to the back of the neck.
High speed. Sliding German. He'll take things into the ring.
Elbow drop with authority.
Nice takedown.
And George took a well-placed hit there. I don't like the look in his eye here, folks.
High risk. Elbow drop from the top.
A lot of momentum now on his side. Can Steele recover from this adversity?
He really thought that was it.
Wait! And a kick out before even one there.
He is still very much in this.
Hooked up.
Oh my God, a small package driver.
I don't think Steele's aware of the danger that's coming.
Clubbing blow stifles the attack. Put in a position now.
Ooh, nasty shot to the throat. Stop in the leg. He's looking completely lost as he finds his footing. Double leg takedown on their opponent, trying to step through.
Sharpshooter applied.
It's cinched. This singles match has come to an end. Wow.
Here is your winner, the Icon.
George Steele looking tamed after that loss.
George had difficulty here and could not turn things his way.
We can't confirm that Animal Steele knows he was defeated, but regardless, it's an official loss.